My own Bundog, everybody, good morning. It's Kevin with LumpiaLife, and I just want to kind of give you my thoughts on this whole coronavirus deal as a foreigner living here in the Philippines. We just got back from Manila last Thursday, which was the 12th, and then they shut down Manila. They no one in or out on the 14th. So Manila is on lockdown. And we live in Mindanao, so we got out just in time. We were up there for 4 days, had a VA appointment, and my good friend, he also flew. He was staying with us for 2 months, and that's why I haven't been uploading too many videos, because we've been out and about and enjoying traveling around Mindanao. So there are some videos coming up soon, so stay tuned there. But he flew out Wednesday. He had to connect in South Korea and then landed in Seattle. But we were a little worried that he was going to have some issues, you know, getting home and stuff, but he made it home safely. So thank God for that. And then we flew out the next day. Out of Manila on Thursday, got home safely, but then they locked it down. So no domestic flights out of Manila, I think until April, the middle of April or something like that. No land, sea, or air. So you can't go by ferry, or they don't want people coming in and out. So far in my city, Butuan, we're still, you know, open for business. We can go in and out as of now. There's only one case in, I believe it's Cagayan de Oro, which is another city about 3 hours from us. One person has tested positive there for coronavirus. But that's the only case so far that they know about here in Mindanao. If you're looking at the map of the Philippines, we're the big island on the bottom, or the big province on the bottom. So, and then Manila is up higher in Luzon. But just wanted to tell you my thoughts about this whole deal. Just do what they tell you to do, you know. Wash your hands. Don't get into big crowds of people, and try to distance yourself from people. No handshakes. Fist bumps only. When I was at the VA in Manila, we did an elbow shake with my doctor. So just take precaution. We went to the grocery store when we got back on Friday. It was a madhouse, just like everywhere else in the world. I know in the US the shelves are emptying out, but we do have toilet paper here. Toilet paper is not a big deal over here. Most public comfort rooms or restrooms, they call them the CR here, but when you go out to the public, like to the mall or to a restaurant, normally they don't have toilet paper. So I don't know. I've asked Marilou, what do people do? Because wherever we go, we take the extra napkins, or we bring a roll of toilet paper with us wherever we go, just in case, you know. But as far as the locals here, I'm not sure how they do it, but anyway. When we did go to the grocery store, there was there was very limited soap, and the hand sanitizer was all gone. I saw many carts filled with canned goods. We just we bought a few things, essentials like a normal shopping trip. Nothing hoarding or going the extra mile, because we're prepared. I don't know, these people that are going crazy in the stores, you know, buying up everything. Weren't they prepared for like an earthquake or anything like that? It's I don't know. But we did have to wait in line an hour to check out, which kind of sucked. But Anyway, just wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Fist bumps. No handshakes. No blessings from the kids. You know, they grab your hand and they bless you here in the Philippines, but no more. Just a fist bump. And yeah, these are my thoughts. One of my biggest things that I don't like about this is that I can't go home. I would rather be back home, but I have faith in the Philippines. I know that when the World Health Organization or CDC comes out with something, testing kits or a vaccine or anything, I truly believe that the Philippines is going to be taken care of. Just like everybody in the US, you know, everybody's going to be taken care of eventually, but just try not to panic. Try not to panic. Live your life and just be smart. Just be smart. But I would much rather be closer to my kids, our kids, and our grandkids during this time, just so we're all together, you know. But we have family here, so we're just gonna wait this out and come home as soon as we can, you know, for a visit. And there's so many places we want to see, but everything's shut down. So, you know, let's get a vaccine and open travel up again. But anyway, we're doing good. I feel good. Marilou feels good. We're all good. But all we can do is hope and pray that our officials are doing the best they can for us, and no need to panic. Just try to live your life safely. All right, guys, this is Kev, LumpiaLife. I was just rambling here and wanted to give you my thoughts, what's going on. Stay safe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.